brown bear.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow dove looking at me. Yellow dove, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see?
That's purple cat.
I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what
White
do
dog.
you see?
What's
I
it?
see a black sheep looking at me.
Black sheep.
Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.
Goldfish.
Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
Yes.
Teacher, what do you see? I see
Teacher.
looking
Yes.
at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse,
On
a
the last
green
page,
frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see.
Say brown bear. Okay.